Today I am testing out the Blue Magic tire dressing by Renegade. As you can see, my tires on my Infiniti Q50 are pretty dirty and they're overdue for some tire shine. Renegade is sponsoring today's video. You can click on the video. In the video there will be a link to this video, and in the description, this Blue Magic tire dressing is solvent-based formula, high gloss, and revives and protects plastics and tires, and it will shine up your tires. All you gotta do is spray on and wipe off the accent. Alright, so I'm gonna be applying on the tire. It's gonna be very simple and easy. You spray, let it sit, and wipe off the excess. Now while that one sits, we're gonna go and spray the other three. So now I'm gonna grab a microfiber towel. I'm gonna wipe off the excess and any overspray on like the wheel. So any overspray on the wheel, you wanna wipe it off. And any excess, you wanna wipe off because you let it sit for a little bit. Now look at that shine over there. I just wiped off. And look how shiny that wheel is. Real shiny. In my opinion, just after you spray down all four, go back to your first one and work the same way, and that should be enough. You just wiped off the excess and any overspray that you had, and voila. I'm also going to show you how well it works on even older vehicles and make your older vehicles look super shiny at a car show. So I'm going to spray it down really good. As a matter of fact, we'll spray a lot of the tire. We'll make it super shiny everywhere. We'll let that sit. Let this dirty tire get all shined up. Just like tough stuff. As you can see, old vehicle, and now the tires look super shiny and looks way better to roll with. This is how good the Blue Magic tire shine actually works. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package. Drive an attempt on the 6 Series.